Hey there guys, this is Code Tutorial for you back with another Edabit problem. This one's called Is the array empty? So it says write a function that returns true if the given array is empty and false otherwise. As you can see from the examples, this array is empty, so it's true. This array is not empty, so it's false. Let's go to the code tab. So as you can see, there's a bool function, so we're going to return true or false. And in the argument, there's a vector int that's called array. Vector. Let's go to the resource tab. There's great information on how to solve this problem. Let's go to this one where it talks about what a vector is. So as you can see, vectors are sequence containers representing arrays that can change in size. And if you want more information, it's in the resource tabs. What we're going to be using is empty. So it tests whether the vector is empty. As you can see, that's say if it's empty, it's true. So if it's empty, true, else it's false. So let's go to the code tab. So we're going to do an if else statement. Inside the condition is going to be if array empty, that's how you write it out, we're going to return true. Else, that means it's not going to be empty, so we're going to return false. And let's see if it passed the test. As you can see, it passed all the tests. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Edabit problems. Thank you.